Hi, it's Saturday, so it's weekend. So what I want to do on my weekend is something special. I want to go out and watch some movie. Watch a movie. Have you ever tried to watch like 3 movies in a row? I've tried it once. Okay, so let me just start my makeup today. I'm wearing this super cool black off-shoulder. I'm going to put on the makeup that suits this outfit. So I think it will be a smoky makeup. I don't know if it works. Okay, let's just try it. I just stop talking. Stop. I'm saying to myself, stop talking. So I've done my base care on my face. So let's just move on to the base makeup. We need this little hairpin. Okay, today I'm gonna use cushion. This is one of my favorite cushion. The Sam Skin Perfection Glutathione Toning Cushion. Clear beige. I love this soft thingy, puffy. Before I put on the base makeup, I will do this for my pores. It's very stressful. So let me just cover it, make it blurry like this. Can you see the difference? Well, I can see the difference. Yeah. Ooh, you can see that the color is very clean and it suits me so well. It's very moist. I love it. Wow, I love it. I love how it feels. It's so creamy. Oh my god. Well, it smells good. Let's cover all of this red parts. I have this huge pimple. It doesn't go away. And this one. Well, I don't do the perfect cover usually. I prefer a very light base makeup. So normally I don't use any concealer, but today this one is too red. Too red. So let me just use my concealer. But I'll put on the concealer really lightly. You just use your brush, spread it like this, and wait for it to stick to your skin. Do the rest half of your face, and I just accidentally touch this, but don't touch this. Touch the edge of the concealer spot, but I accidentally touched it so it shows. But don't do that. Don't do it like me, okay? And this one will be covered with my forehead hair, so I don't care. I'm a cool girl today. Well, I am not a cool girl normally, but today I am. This is my concept today because I'm gonna put on the smoky makeup. Sorry for scratching my hair. Okay? Very clean. I love it. Well, my neck is not that white as my face, so let me put on my toner sun cream here. It does the magic. Yeah. I forgot to put on my contact lens, but it's okay. So let me just put on my brow mascara on my black brow. I usually bleach my brow. I usually do that, but well, it has been so many weeks since I've done that, so there's a lot of black hair grown. But I don't go outside, so I don't care. All I do in my house all day. The first thing is not going out. It sounds weird, but that's true. The second thing is, well, drawing, because I like drawing with my iPad, and eating something because I have to leave, I have to survive. And then what? I just stay with my phone all day, watching YouTubes, Instagram. That's all. Very unhealthy. This is a very unhealthy life. I've got to change. Okay, so we've done the brow. I don't like this light things on my face, so let me just put on my powder. Where's my powder? I found it. This cushion is it has so many moisture. So if you just leave it like this, you'll have this sticky thing left on your face. So bake it. Bake. Your hair can stick on your face if you just don't do this powder thing on your face. Okay, very good. I baked my face. I don't know why people call using powder like baking, but I can really instinctively understand it because your face literally looks like a baked. I don't know what baked means, but it suits. You can see that my face is powder baked. Okay, let's move on. So next thing is I want to use a very pretty eye palette. There was this big sale in Korean cosmetics like a few weeks ago. And I've got this amazing palette series. This palette series is basically what I like originally. Oh, they gave me a pouch. Very cute, very puffy. I'm going to use this one. 3CE multi-eye color palette, the textile butter mousse. Ooh, I love this. I love these colors. Well, I love this. But I don't think you can do the full smoky with this, only this eye palette. I think I can use the other palettes too, but let me just stay on this palette as much as I can. So, the first thing, let's put this first. Well, it really is a butter. The color is very buttery, if it makes sense. Can you see the little yellowish thing on my eye? And the next thing would be this one. Ooh, I love the color. And then we're gonna move on to the little puffy thing right underneath your eyes. As I told you in the last video, it's a very trendy thing among Korean girls. I'll use this color. Lightly making a shadow like this. Shadow. Yeah. Then this is a very glowy glitter. Put it on your finger. Apply it neatly. This is a cream type. Very creamy and gorgeous. I'll just apply it right in front of my eyes like this. Oh, I love it. Look at this. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Like this. I love it. Okay, so the next thing would be making shadow right underneath your eye so that you can be looked as a person who did smoky makeup on the face. I don't know if it makes sense. Yeah. Darkest color here. Put the shadow on the edge of your eye right here. And today we're going to put this. Uh-oh, I almost poked my eye. So be careful. Apply it. I love it. So gently apply the darkest part on this side and smudge it to right in front of your eyes like this so that it can be looked as the gradation. We're gonna draw eyeliner here, so stretch it. The sunlight is coming from here, so it makes a deeper shadow here, but I think it's quite even. Put the dark color right on top of your eyes too so that it matches with your shadow, but don't make it too dark. My eyes are really small, I think, so if I put dark color too much on my eyes, it makes it smaller. So like this. When I do smoky makeup, I like to do the under shadow much more than the upper one, so makes your under part of your eyes more deeper. Okay, yeah, I love it. Okay, let's do the liner. The eyeliner today would be, I'm gonna use the same liner, the black brown liner. It's not the same liner that I used in the other video, right? This is black brown. It's black, but it's also brown. Well, I don't suit the black liner much because I don't know. So I prefer black liner with a little bit of brown inside. It's more natural. Don't forget to smudge it with your brush. Let me use this shadow again and smudge it right on top of your liner like this. Look at this. My eyes got bigger. Love this. The liner doesn't have to be perfect because you can smudge everything. You can blend everything. Blending makes your liner much natural. We're going to the smoky. Welcome to the smoky world. So before I do my blush, I'm gonna do the mascara first. Then I'll use the black mascara and make your eyelashes go right up, stretch to the top. I think I just pulled one of my lashes out. It's okay. The rest of them are staying. Rub this black mascara. Just rub it. Rub it. You can do the full glam today because it's smoky. Look at this. Oh my god. I think smoky suits this stretchy and puffy eyelashes much. So I will just leave it like this. Then don't forget your under lashes. Be patient and comb the lashes until you think it's ready. It doesn't have to be that neat because we're doing the naughty smoky today. When I do my left eye, I just apply it everywhere. Alright, it's okay. It's time to put on some blush. Today's blush would be this Clinique Cheek Pop Blush Pop Black Honey Pop. It's a very gorgeous color. Let me just show it on my face. It's a very black cherry-like color. It makes you... Oh my god! Oh my god, it's too much. When you put on too much blush, put on your base makeup, a little bit on top of it. And then go back to your blush. Be careful because it's very risky color. Apply it little by little. Don't forget your nose. I forgot my shading. Well, but before we do the shading, let me just put on... Where is it? This one is the Sam Jelly Blusher Salty Beige. You can see that the color is too red, so put on some beige and blend on it. It makes the color more calm and burnt. Put some of it on your cheek, on your nose. Good. We're ready for shading. Just mix these two colors. Well, I don't have particular rules when I do shading on my chin. I just do it like this. And then this one, when you do the nose shading, I do like this. Blending is everything. And make your nose slightly sharp and a little bit cute with shading. It's like sculpting. A little bit here. Yeah, a little bit here. I think it's enough. Are we done? Oh, the most important thing is putting on your highlighter. I'm gonna use this Ofra mini highlighter Sugar Cookie. Ooh, look at this. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Apply right here too. And a little bit here. And a little bit here. Oh my god, look at this. Look at this. Look at this light. And then put on some finger. Apply it on your cheek. It's highlighted. Yes. Okay. So we're gonna do the lips. The lips. I put on my lip oil before I started. So erase it a bit. Then let me use this lip liner first. This is Peri Para Puffy Plumping Dew Lip Pencil, Almond Beige. We're gonna do the slight over lip. This color suits when you do this kind of smoky makeup because the line is it's not too light. Okay, today's lip will be, I'm gonna use MAC Powder Kiss Hazy Matte Lipstick Taken. I love this color. Wow, very brownish. I love it. This lipstick is so good. It's very soft. Oh my god, look at the color. Originally, I planned to apply more the other lipstick and blend it, but I love this. But let me do a little bit more. Let me take the risk. This is MAC Powder Kiss Lip and Cheek Mousse. The color is very, very dark. The color's name is Rekindled. Very dark. Look at this. Ah! So you have to apply it very little. Very slightly. Smudge it. Well, when you do the smoky makeup, originally I do not like this hair because it's too messy. But when you do the smoky, this messy hair suits. So I just leave it like this. Like I don't do anything more. So we've done it. I think I made it. A little bit of rockstar-like. I love it. So how do you think of my smoky makeup? It's not that dark. Pretty daily. You can try it. Well, I can try it on a daily basis, really. I had so much fun doing this makeup because I was so feeling gloomy and lonely at my house alone. I'll try to have fun days today. Hope you have a nice one too. If you like my video, please come to my channel often. Bye!